there like mid-course stuff to do? Any assignments or not yet? That's good.
All right, I went ahead and started recording since I know, Nicole, you've got to go, so maybe we can make this brief.
Thank you. I appreciate you guys meeting early.
Oh, sure.
So 1 and 2 are true.
That
And
never changes.
yeah, that's because we're all such good participants.
That's right.
And 3, I think, is unknown. The A, B, C, the C one, right?
What about 3?
Yeah, for 3, I would put the third choice.
Oh, okay.
We assume it's unknown.
Right.
Four would be unknown, wouldn't it?
4, I put no, because I think it says it is unknown. Is that right?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
it says, is it known?
Oh, is it known? Is it known? So no, it is not known.
Right. No, it.
That'll be the one we get wrong.
And again, talking in circles to try to confuse us.
I know. The value of t.
So then that we do the formula, right?
Yeah, work out that formula.
So it's
T equals x bar minus mu over s divided by the square root of n.
Yeah.
11 minus 8 over 6 divided by the square root of 9, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Had to happen.
Yeah.
I actually put in 6 divided by 3.
Oh.
1.5?
1.5.
Right. That's what I got.
So it's fine how it is, right?
Yeah, as long as we all get the right answer. You can do it lots of different ways.
So no 1.5? Oh, just 1.5, okay.
1.5.
Right.
Yeah, that's a 1 decimal point round.
Shoot, we have to put all those numbers in?
So if you have SPSS up, all you have to do is click on the body temperatures and it'll input it for you.
Okay, I don't have the SPSS up right now.
Well, I do, so I'll let you know what I come up with.
That'll work.
8.6.
And this is a hypothesis test, so we put in the value, right?
Right.
I do have a question about the homework when we're done with this.
Okay. I'm confusing myself with too many screens open at the same time. So if my eyes start bugging out, that's why I'm like, where am I? I feel like I get lost. Let's see. So the mean is 98.2200, so 98.220.
98.220.
Yeah. Is that what you're getting, Rose?
Let me go back and look. I have the mean as 98.234.
Really?
Let me go. Hold on. Yep, that's what I got.
And you have your test value at 98.6?
Yes.
How about you, Britton? What are you getting?
She got kicked out, I think.
Oh, did she?
No.
I don't have that screen up. I copied and pasted the numbers, though, into the enter data file thing.
Okay.
That makes a difference.
Do you want me
I don't know,
to
'cause I just clicked on the body temperatures to automatically put it in there.
Yeah.
So
Do you want me to manually put it in the calculator?
if you want to.
We're getting too high tech here. Nobody else volunteers to do that. They're like, oh, that's work.
I'm just going back in and redoing it to make sure that it comes up with the same numbers.
Yeah, I did that too, and I'm still getting 98.220 for the ones that I copied and pasted.
28.6. And I'm still getting 98.234.
Was this the lesson that they said some of the numbers might be a little bit different? I don't know. But I don't think that applies to this question.
Yeah. I don't think
I'm almost done typing them in.
I'm working my calculator. We'll see if I can hit all of the right buttons in a row. There's a big chance for human error here.
Okay, so I got 98.22.
Did you?
Yeah.
Then maybe mine is off.
What'd you get?
98.234.
Are you both, is one of you using Excel and the other one using SPSS?
I'm using XPSS.
But the data file instead of copying and pasting, right?
Right.
Yeah, I added and divided again, and it's 98.22.
I wonder why it's doing that.
I don't know.
Makes me a little upset because, you know, if it was like a test or something,
Is this the
work right.
Is this the body temperature one?
Is it what?
Is this the body temperature one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me pull mine up.
I wonder if they didn't put in the same information in that file. Did you check the numbers that they gave us on the assignment to the ones that came up on the file?
Oh, no, I didn't do that. Let's see.
I wonder if they left off a 10th or something.
No. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. Oops.
What did you get on that one, Britton?
Sorry, what one? My computer died.
On number 6.
I got 98.220.
Did
Yeah,
you?
okay. So when you put it in the calculator and all that, it's 98.220, but when you pull it up in SPSS, it does say 98.234.
Well,
That's kind of funny.
I'll turn mine in, and then you can change it if you want. or you can be glad that yours is different than mine, whatever happens.
That's just funny that it's that different.
That is, because, you know, when you're rounding to every 0.3 decimals or whatever, that makes a big difference in your answer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see what it says in Excel really quickly.
Wow, you use Excel too? I'm impressed, Nicole. I'm going to learn as few of these programs as possible.
You can't do Excel because they list like 100 of them.
Oh. That's the problem.
That's going to really give a weird number.
Yes.
So I wonder if, is that what the problem is with the body temperature? Are they listing 100 of them or however many, or are they listing the 20 like the question asks?
I don't know. Let me look real quick.
Because that will do it right there. You know, that's kind of...
Right, because that would make a lot of difference. Let's see.
Yeah, that's true.
They have... and we're still going. Okay, they have 100.
Oh, yeah, they have like...
Oh.
They have 148. Yeah.
All right, good job. You guys are detectives.
No, that's what it is.
That makes sense.
And the instructions do say, using the following values which were pulled from body temp, copy and paste them in the software.
I didn't see the pulled part. I just see copy and paste.
See, I saw body temp, and I'm like, okay, pull it up.
We know where that is.
Well, good thing I pulled it up in Excel and saw all that.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm getting the Nicole symptom where I only read like half of it.
I'm contagious. You better watch out. This is not a good
love. I gotta share the love here. and I got the rose symptom where I had to like go investigate more. No, wait. We switched.
So I'm wondering if that makes like other numbers different too. Like for which standard deviation, did you get 0.7376?
No, 0.922.
All right, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and paste.
Yeah, you better copy and paste it.
So I get the right numbers.
Yeah.
You got 0.922 for number 7?
I did.
So...
Did you get that, Nicole?
How did you get that, or am I just that dumb right now?
No, it's given on the test result. Standard deviation, because it's for your sample. It's what I read it as.
Where are you reading that at?
So if you do a t-test, one sample, then it says one sample statistics, standard deviation, 0.92201.
Yep. Okay. When you copy and paste, you get the right information.
7?
Yeah, that was for 7 that I got. Let's see what Rose finds out.
I'm not seeing where it says any of this. So.
Did you do the, what is it?
Oh,
Analyze, compare means, one test.
Okay, so you're still in the program that I closed out, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm all like, where does it say this on the question?
It's kind of crazy. Well, I'm noticing like they try and build off of the question before, but sometimes they don't tell you like which question before they're asking next. Like in the group when was it? I think on this lesson there was something that it had, the first question talked about an interval and the second one talked about a hypothesis test. And the third question referred to one of the two above, and it was really tricky knowing which one they were referring to.
Yeah. They try to trick us.
They do, and it's not hard to do for me.
Not very nice either.
No. What did you get for 7, Britton?
0.922.
Okay.
And that's what I got also.
Okay, that's good. We'll all go down together.
Copy and paste just 20 instead of 148, so.
You're like a mad scientist. You want a bigger sample.
I do. Makes it more accurate.
Yeah.
Now, are we putting this in as 0.922 or just 0.922?
I put 0.922, so.
And I do 0.922.
I guess we'll figure it out when we submit it.
Yeah, I think it just counts whatever's after the decimal, but
Probably.
So I could put 1.922 and
No.
no.
That's a completely different number.
Good try. I think you should be a teacher, Nicole. I think it would be fun.
I think she would definitely challenge her students.
I think I would need a drink after that one.
So on T-score for 8, mine says negative 1.843.
Yes, that's what I got.
Okay. See, it's kind of cool that it gives all this to you if you've done it right up to this point. You don't have to figure out everything.
How do you get the T-score?
You can do it like...
Go back in my notes and look at that.
You can do it by hand or with this program. It gives it to you.
Oh, yeah?
It's x bar minus mu over s divided by the square root of n.
Yeah, so the same formula we used on 5. So they had us do it by hand on 5.
Oh, right. That's the sig in parentheses two-tailed, right? That's that number.
That's the p-value.
Right.
For number 9. Are you guys on 9 or 8?
9.
What am I on? I'm on 9.
Oh, okay. I'm there too. Yes, it's the
Okay. So the sig two-tailed, we need to divide by 2 because the null hypothesis is only less than 98.6. So 0.081 divided by 2.
Right, but you divide it by 2 because it's a one-tailed test instead of a 2. If it's a two-tailed test, you use that number.
Right. Because it gives you the two-tailed, so if it's a one-tailed, then you still have to divide by.
So it's 0.0405?
Yep.
0.045, so 0.041.
0.01. Okay.
Right, yeah. Rounding. Almost forgot about that.
I think that's a problem. Rounding. Rounding and reading. R&R, man.
And we're doing arithmetic, so I guess that's the other one, right?
So that is less than 0.05 that we're using. So reject.
Right.
Reject ho!
You're more fun an hour earlier. I'm just teasing you.
It's
I'm
not
annoying.
so close to bedtime.
Still have some life in you.
It's been kind of a stressful week. Like, it feels like I'm taking 4 or 5 classes right now when I'm only taking 2, and it's just from all the personal stuff. So the fact that I'm laughing now is actually a shocker.
That's good. Keep laughing.
Well,
I was reading this stuff today, and I'm like, I really don't care right now. And I'm like, that's sad. I don't care because I need to care. So is life.
So 11 is a hypothesis test too, right?
Yep. Looks like.
So
And the hypothesis value is what? 40?
isn't it the p-value?
Yeah, but you have to put in the test value on the analysis part.
Right.
And we're doing, is it 95? No, it's 99.
Oh. Yeah, go back and redo.
Isn't that right? 99, or what do they call that? Confidence level?
Yeah, confidence interval. I think it's, yeah.
Use a level of significance 0.01. So yeah, that's 99.
Okay, I'm like, where are you getting 99?
I know. That's a trick. They want to call it 99 one time and 0.01 another.
Yeah.
So then you look at the 99 on the SPSS.
Right. So when you go into analyze and explore, you're going to put the variable over, then you click on statistics and you change the confidence interval for the mean to 99%.
So for p-value, and it's a two-sided test, so just use that number, 0.995.
Right.
Okay, so it's, you said analyze, descriptive statistics, explore.
I do analyze, compare means, it says one test, t-test or something. What does it say? One sample t-test.
Okay.
So analyze, compare means one sample t-test.
And then which one is it that you put over?
I think there's only one in this set.
Mine has 5. Is it the
does?
birth weight?
Oh, this is, you have to copy and paste again. I think, don't you? Yeah, pulled from the data file baby boom.
Yeah, I did, and it came with 5 of them.
It did? When you just copied that row of numbers?
Oh, I didn't copy the row of numbers.
Oh. I think you might want to.
So it's, if I did it right, was it both of them?
Right.
For, yeah.
The p-value.
So the p-value would be t?
The p-value is whatever,
It's the sig 2-tailed
sig.
number.
Does that stand for significance? Because that bothers me.
No, it stands for sigma, which is your standard
Oh.
deviation.
Oh.
I must have done something wrong because mine says 0.
Did you put the test value in? Above that it says test value and it should say 40.
Okay, so where I put, oh, okay, it's 40, okay.
Yeah, so you have to go back and change that on analyze.
Analyze, compare means.
Point. Yeah, it still says that. Okay, down the bottom it says 0.995.
Right.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Okay.
Are you getting two readouts or something?
Yeah, there was like 2 or 3 of them.
Oh.
Huh.
Yeah, I think you want the one that says the value of 40.
The first readout I did all of them. The second readout I did the numbers, but I put in 0. And so
Okay.
the third readout was the 40.
It only takes 3 times. You got it.
Right?
I usually take 5 or 6,
Yeah.
but then I have it for life, so that's good.
So we're on 12 now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
As long as you got 0.995 for 11.
Yeah.
Did you guys like say that answer like an hour ago and I just totally spaced it?
Let's make sure everybody's on the same page.
I told you it's been stressful.
So for number 12, it is definitely greater than the level of blah, 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 of 0.01. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
So what number are you looking at for that one?
So you have to compare it to the level of significance, which is in question 11, 0.01. So if it's less than 0.01, then we would reject the null hypothesis, but if it's greater than 0.01, we fail to reject the null hypothesis.
So you're going by the 0.995.
Yeah, the p-value compared to
the level of significance.
Okay, so 12 is fail to reject.
Right.
Okay.
So for 13, we just take the 0.995 and divide it by 2. Because instead of it being a 2-tailed, we're only looking for less than 40.
Yep.
So it'll be a 1-tailed.
0.4975?
Yep, that's what I got.
And that's
So
still greater than 0.01.
Right, so the p-value decreases.
And it still failed to reject.
Right, because it's still greater than the level of significance.
Yeah.
It's time to stop talking for me. I can't even make sense anymore.
So the width, it would be 11, right? Question 11, that the width is wider?
I thought it would be, but I think I ran it twice yesterday, and I came out with the same numbers in the 99% confidence interval. Would that be possible?
I don't know, because I was thinking that they're the same, because it's not asking for the p-value, it's just asking for the confidence interval.
Right. I put that they are the same. Because when you compare the width, I had the same width for the one in 11 and like the same interval numbers, right? Those don't change.
Right.
So I think it's the same.
What?
Yeah.
What
That's what I was
would use? So like. So when you figured that out, how did you put it in? My brain's shot right now.
It'll give you the upper and lower numbers under 99% confidence interval of the difference. And I don't think that they change when you change, because the output remains the same. The only thing you do is divide the significance, two-tailed number. I don't know other than that. Does anyone else have an explanation why?
Yeah, because they would change if it was, like, if it went to 95 or something, wouldn't it?
Right, or
Yeah.
if the numbers in the equation changed, but they didn't.
Yeah, all the numbers are still the same that affect that, so
So then they are the same.
that's what I think.
I can check and find out. Yes, they are the same.
They all right?
I got it right.
I
They
can
were
hit
all
submit.
right.
Very good.
Another 100 under the belt. Whoop whoop.
We just keep collecting those.
About the homework.
Each one helps.
Yeah.
So my question on the homework now. Where is it? So, okay, when it starts with number 6,
For on the homework.
Yeah, on the homework assignments. Okay.
Okay.
Is it are they referring to the math self-efficiency that they did in 3 through 5, or are they, because I can't figure out where, like, they're getting these T-score and degree of freedom. Are they using the file for questions 3 through 5 for 6 through 11 or 12?
Yeah, I think they are using the information given for 3 through 5.
Okay.
That's what
I'm like, where are they getting this? Like, they have to be using that, but I wasn't sure. And
yeah.
Yeah, because that'll show you the mean, so you don't have to figure it out.
okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep.
That was, I understood up until that. I'm like, are they getting the numbers from there, or did I miss a paragraph? Or
I know. That's the hard part, is trying to keep up with their questions.
they should have put.
Right. Well, yeah, on there they should have put use this to answer questions 3 through 12. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it's confusing.
Because I was thinking that because the way it started out 2 years ago in the similar study, so I'm like, they have to be using that, but I don't really know if they are. And
I found this thing like they were
if they're not using it, I don't get it. So.
Yeah. Well, another one, they were assuming that all of those were met, but in the reading part of it, when I went back, it doesn't say specifically it was met. So I'm like, we're just supposed to assume they're excellent researchers and.
Right. Supposed to read their minds.
Yeah.
Oh, There you go. That's my problem.
Not a mind reader.
I have a problem with my mind, let alone their mind.
Oh, goodness.
That's funny.
I like how I will admit I was getting a little bit of a resentment when everyone was saying last time that their scores were going up to, 94 and stuff like that on the exam. And I was starting to get a little bit of a resentment. And, I'm like, well, I want my score to go up. And I looked on it today, and mine's like at 94, and I'm like, hey.
Wow.
I did meet with him yesterday. It was really good because then he could go over which ones I missed. And he said he was still looking at those and adding points. And then I went back and he has a little note on, I think, lesson at the end of this week. There's a little note saying he gave points for some of the questions. But anyway, it was good.
Yeah, he said going forward, do you not use a comma because the system counts it incorrect?
Yeah.
Not that I didn't use a comma, so I had no problem there. But yeah, I emailed them and I just straight up asked them, like, can you tell me which? I know I missed 3. Can you tell me which ones I missed? And so he copy and pasted in the email the 3 questions I missed, and one of them I kind of it's. 2 of them were multiple choice, and looking at them now, I'm like, I really got that wrong. Like, was I having a stupid moment? I shouldn't have. But then the other one was one that you had to, like, type in the number, so I have no idea what the answer is for that one, but.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was surprised when he did. The ones that I missed were like the easiest parts of the class. It was one of the ones like cluster samplings, like SRS, like, oh, hello! I should know that. Yeah, but I was
looking at it, I'm like, the stupid thing was in bold. The answer was in bold.
It's kind of funny.